Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, here in front of the mighty Birth Mint for the release of the Lunar Snake. So you're probably wondering what's happening with the BN Lunar Snake. We'll be releasing that later on this morning. We're just waiting for some last minute data on it. However, a couple of ground rules on this one. There are no limits to purchases for everything other than the 1 ounce silver and the 1 ounce platinum. Now, the 1 ounce silver, we are asking you to limit your purchases to 21. That's a roll plus one. Now, absolutely, it means you can still buy one, and you can buy all the way up through till 21. And at 21, we're going to cap it. And if anyone tries to order over 21, we're going to go back to the fair play policy, and we'll reduce your order back down to 21, because we're just trying to spread the love a bit, and the limitations are right up there. We're also going to limit the platinum 1 ounce, so that's going to be one per person, and we're going to do stage releases of the platinum all through the day, just to try and make sure that everyone gets a fair crack at it, whether you're, a shift worker or a normal worker or international, anything along those sort of lines. All the other sizes, all the other shapes and metals, they're all fair game. Fill your boots. All right, we'll talk again very soon. See ya.